These days, you can do any kind of shopping online, even for prescription glasses, but the number of online stores is endless, which can be a little overwhelming. That's why today, I'll be covering some of the top online prescription stores and which one might be the best for your needs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. I'm Gabby, and this is the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. We're a team of prescription lens and replacement lens experts, so we've got the scoop for you on everything RX. Before we get into it, it's important to know and understand your prescription when you start looking for glasses online. This might seem obvious, but you should have your prescription handy and know whether you need progressive or single vision glasses, and the type of vision impairment you're correcting when you start your online search. If you're not sure how to figure those things out, you can check out our complete guide to buying prescription online on our website, which we have the link to in the description. If you need to renew your prescription though, we have an online test to renew your RX with a licensed eye doctor. You can find this at fusedlenses.com/YouTube, and it's also linked down below. Alright, now let's dive into what you want to look for when you're on the hunt for good lenses. There are a few things to prioritize when you're shopping for prescription glasses online. The big ones are lens material, coating, color, and transition lenses. Lens material is a huge part of comfortability, cost, and how long your glasses will last. For example, CR39 is a thick and heavy lens material that shatters easily on any sort of impact, but it's usually the most inexpensive and commonly used lens material. On the other end of the cost spectrum are Trivex lenses, which are ultra flexible, impact resistant, thin, and give you the crispest view of any material, but they'll cost you a little extra. The gold standard material in the industry is called polycarbonate. It's affordable, thin, lightweight, impact resistant, naturally UV protected, and can be easily customized. It's the standard material we use in our glasses at Fused Lenses, but we offer upgrades in Trivex lenses and also high index lenses, which is a special material that's used to make stronger prescription lenses thinner and lighter. The next big part of prescription customization is the lens coating, which can make a big difference in quality and overall vision care. The most common coating is called anti-reflective or AR, which helps with glare, reduces eye strain, and generally improves your vision. It completely eliminates reflections from the front and back of lenses, so it's easier to see clearly. The other most common coating is called hydro-oleophobic. Kind of a tongue twister, and it helps prevent things like dirt, dust, and oil from settling on your lenses, which can cause damage and smudges. It also keeps water from bonding to the lens surface, so your glasses are easier to clean. My personal favorite part of shopping for online lenses though is the color customization. Clear is the most popular option, but a lot of people don't know that you can turn your normal clear prescription glasses into blue light filtering glasses, transition lenses, and color-tinted prescription sunglasses. Blue light lenses are a type of lens that filters out harmful blue light rays that come from cell phones, laptops, TVs, and even the sun. They have a yellowish tint that blocks out the blue light from entering your eyes, which helps with digital eye strain, headaches, and even insomnia. It's so easy to add a blue light filter to your frames, and it's a popular option for folks who spend a lot of time looking at their screens. We have a video that dives deep into how blue light affects your eyes and if blue light glasses really work, called Are Blue Light Glasses Worth It?, where you can learn more about them. It's linked in the description below, which is where you'll find all the videos and links we'll be talking about today. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when we post a new one. Another popular option is called transition or photochromic lenses. They're a great type of lens that changes from clear when you're indoors to dark like sunglasses in the sunlight. They're a great way to combine prescription glasses and prescription sunglasses into one pair, which you can find out more about in our video Transition Lenses Explained. If you decide to opt for full-on prescription sunglasses though, you can choose to add a color tint, mirror coating, or make them polarized prescription lenses. Our video Pros and Cons of Prescription Sunglasses will teach you more about which RX shades are right for you. So now that you know what to look for, where are you supposed to find the right pair of prescription glasses? There's so many choices out there, so let's get into some of the major online stores and what each of them has to offer. You'll have a hard time finding anyone who hasn't heard of Warby Parker. They're one of the most popular prescription prescription eyewear retailers, and aside from their online store, they also have in-person stores. One of their strong suits is that before you buy a pair of glasses, they let you try on 5 different styles at home for free. Since they're also a storefront retailer, you can go in person to check out their styles and get fitted for your glasses. They offer options with all the criteria I mentioned before, but their glasses are on the pricier side of online retailers. They start at around $95 for the most basic pairs and go up to around $295 depending on how many customizations you want and the style or material of the frame. A prescription retailer on the opposite end of the price spectrum is EyeBuyDirect, which is known for its cheap base prices. For example, a lot of their plastic frames with clear lenses start at only $6 and their prescription sunglasses start at $19. While they're extremely competitively priced for their eyewear industry, and they're good if you're looking for a pair of basic, inexpensive glasses, the prices do hike up pretty quickly if anything more than the basic plastic frame and plastic lens. For example, if you want to add additional coatings or colors, or if you want a thinner lens material, the cost really starts to add up. Zenni Optical is another online retailer mostly known for their massive frame selection. They actually have thousands of different styles and they offer custom engraving on the arm for an added cost. The average pair of basic plastic glasses can cost around $10 to $50 and they offer a lot of add-ons I mentioned earlier. The major downside to Zenni is their return policy. If you don't like the fit, the style, or anything else about them, you'll have to be okay with getting store credit. They only offer a 50% cash refund or 100% store credit, so it's pretty important to get the right ones on your first try. But there is an online retailer that you might not have heard of that offers more customization, competitive prices, and something none of the other retailers have. Yeah, it's us, Fuse Lenses. Fuse is different because we're the only one of those online retailers that offers replacement lens services. So, say your prescription has changed, but you love the frames you already own. If you don't want to waste money on brand new frames, all you have to do is buy a pair of lenses on our website with all your specifications. Then, just send us your glasses so that we can custom cut and replace the lenses in your frames. But if you do want a new pair of frames and you're looking for the best style for your face shape, check out our video, Best Sunglasses for Your Face Shape, where we go in depth on how to find your face shape, different frame styles, and which one best suits you. We also offer the option to turn your basic clear lenses into blue light filtering, transition, trivex, and high index lenses. You can even turn your existing frames into prescription sunglasses or your existing sunglass frames into clear glasses. The options are pretty much limitless, and like I mentioned before, our standard lens material is high quality, scratch resistant polycarbonate, so you don't need to upgrade for the best quality. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like it's super expensive, but we're actually extremely competitively priced. All of our prescription lens replacements start at $79, but you're investing in extremely high quality, durable, customizable, and warranty protected lenses. If you don't want to keep your frames though, we also offer our own line of both classic and stylish frames for glasses and prescription sunglasses. We offer frames for all face shapes and lifestyles. So if you want stylish frames, you could try the Fuse Jupiter, and if you're a super active person, you could try the Fuse Anclote. If you're still on the fence or you just want to learn more about our process, check out our Order Prescription Lenses with Fuse Lenses video. It's linked in the description below, just like all the other videos I mentioned today. And don't forget to head to fuselenses.com/YouTube if you're ready to get started. If you enjoyed this video on online prescription lens stores and what to look for, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.